May mga bago na namang natanggal sa gabinete ng administrasyon, pero marami rin ang nananatili sa kanilang pwesto. Nasa frontline na balitang yan, si Maricel Halili.
Kahit pinag-courtesy resignation ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang lahat ng kanyang gabinete, marami pa rin ang naiwan sa pwesto. Sa press briefing kanina ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, 21 pangalan ng mga kalihim ang inanunsyo niyang mananatili sa pwesto. Kabilang narito sina Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel, Agrarian Reform Secretary Conrado Estrella, Education Secretary Sonny Angara, TESDA Secretary Jose Francisco Benitez, Labor Secretary Bienvenido Laguesma, Social Welfare Secretary Rex Gatchalian. Gayon din sina Health Secretary Ted Herbosa, DMW Secretary Hans Kakdak, DOST Secretary Renato Solidum, Tourism Secretary Cristina Frasco, DICT Secretary Henry Roel Aguda, Transportation Secretary Vince Tizon at DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunuan. Sa confirmation hearing ni Aguda at Dizon, una nilang kinumpirma na tuloy sila sa kanilang pag-upo bilang mga kalihim.
Just to answer the question directly, kahit na I'm a little embarrassed to do it, but I did get a call po from the Executive Secretary that the President did not accept my courtesy.
Thank you. I received a call from the Executive Secretary telling me that my resignation was declined by the President, Mr. Chair.
And this was just recently? Just for the record?
Just for the record, it's almost the day after the courtesy resignation.
8 pang appointee ni PBBM ang mananatili sa pwesto kabilang si Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile at MMDA Chairman Romando Artes. Nilinaw din ni E.S. Bersamin na taliwas sa naunang inanunsyo, mananatili muna bilang Foreign Affairs Secretary si Enrique Manalo. Nauna nang sinabi ng Malacanang na ililipat siya bilang Permanent Representative ng Pilipinas sa United Nations simula August 1.
All of them who have been retained, including myself, are expected to give fresh attention to the mandates and to give more performance, show more performance in our respective areas.
Meron pa ring natanggal sa pwesto, gaya ni na Presidential Commission for the Urban Poor Chair and CEO Maynardo Sabili, Presidential Assistant for the Visayas Terence Calatrava, Presidential Assistant on Muslim Affairs Almarim Tila, at Presidential Advisor for Special Concerns Menardo Espineli.
Well, if you are asking for blood, there will still be blood. But, you know, we are still undertaking continuing performance evaluations even of those undersecretaries or those lower than the cabinet rank functionaries.
Patuloy naman ang performance evaluation sa iba pang kalihim. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Maricel Halili, News 5.
Mga kapatid, may Los Baños po. Huwag magpahuli sa mga balita at impormasyong dapat ninyong malaman. Para sa mas malawak na balitaan at diskusyon, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa social media pages ng News 5.